Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie too. Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie too.
I know what you're thinking. No one even skates anymore. Of course they do. Have you been living under a rock? You been to Zoomies yet? Get yourself a pair of skates. Go out there, pop, lock, boogie, boogaloo, whatever it is. Yeah, go and enjoy yourself.
It's Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie too. It's Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie too.
Shout out to Crush City Rockers, Dynamic, New York City Breakers, Bronx Breakmasters. Ha! This is a public service announcement. Yeah! And the Surgeon General says, go out there and enjoy yourself. Lady B is in the house.
It's Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie too. It's Friday night, I just got paid. I'm looking fly, it's time to play. The week is full of things to do. Roller skate and boogie.